flatbed right up to that first row.
Okay. That works perfectly. Just watch the irrigation lines further down.
On the left.
All right, next.
Good, you can head straight to the loading dock.
Keep coming straight back. Watch your clearance. All right, hold it. Stop. No shifting. Straps are secure on this side. All right, bringing the jack around. All right, next row, keep them coming. Watch the gap on the belt.
Utilizing high-definition sensors, the system cleanly separates the imperfect watermelon.
Past the sensor, a precise air jet detects and rejects the defective fruit, while the good melons continue
the narrowest gaps. The remaining fruit continues until sorted by size into the three.
The pulp flows into the maceration tank. The temperature is precisely maintained to preserve freshness as the paddles slow.
This is the first screening stage. The vibrating screen separates large solids .
Plants. The technician draws a sterile sample of As the juice enters the plate heat exchanger, it is rapidly heated, held at temperature, and then cooled, with all parameters strictly monitored on the control panel.
Using a precise metering pump, we introduce ascorbic acid to ensure the juice maintains its vibrant color and extended shelf life.
Inside the sterilization tunnel, intense UVC rate.
Here. This automated inspection system ensures unparalleled quality control. High-speed cameras verify everything from
The automated print and apply machines ensure that every case is correctly labeled with product information, quantity, and depth.
Using a vacuum gripper, the robotic arm efficiently builds the pallet load layer by layer in a precise interlocking pattern.
This one is Manifest 72. Does the count match?
Yes, 20 boxes confirmed, verified.
Bring it back slow, watch your angle, hold it, and stop right there.
Bills of lading confirmed.
Please sign here for the delivery instructions.
There we go. All set.
All right, paperwork is in order. You're cleared for exit. Have a safe trip.
This is how we turn the whole fruit into the refreshing juice you see here. Critical to our commitment to providing clean, quality water to the community.
Accurate measurement is essential. That's why every calibration follows strict procedures, demonstrating our commitment to precision. Proactive pest management is crucial. Through systematic monitoring and detailed documentation, we emphasize that real-time data synchronization ensures that our production lines maintain continuous, systematic management, maximizing efficiency. Good communication is important for a well-informed workforce, and these updated boards are essential.
We ensure complete supply chain transparency by partnering directly with farms like Sunshine, Green Acres, and Harvest Unions.
This new blend balances the citrus notes well.
Shelf stability on the pineapple batch was better though.
I agree, but the mouthfeel on this one is superior.
Our commitment to customer satisfaction starts with listening. We value your input as we strive for quality.
This data highlights the areas where we can optimize performance.
Specifically, adjusting the workflow here will boost efficiency.